Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to pin an email to the top of the list on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We cannot start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, you may have noticed that we have been migrated to the latest version of the application. That's okay. So now let's go within the inbox. Navigate to an email that could be important or could not be important. However, you may wish to access this email at the top of the list and therefore do not have to keep scrolling all the way to the bottom of the list or even filter the emails. So that's email number 1. Click on pin. That's gone right to the top of the list. Let's scroll further to the bottom of the screen. Pin again. And there we have those 2 emails that were received on different days. Could be 10 years ago, 5 years ago. But you want to access that email as soon as possible. And therefore you would then pin that to the top of the trot. That's fine. So we can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.